Hi everyone, hi, welcome back. Today I will be working on this 60 by 90 centimeter canvas and I have a very different color palette. This is inspired by one of my students in my botanical abstract painting course and I just love this old pink rose palette. So let's start working with it. Only thing is, none of these colors I have in jars. So every color I need to mix myself, but that's something I truly love. So let's first wet this canvas like normal. And I want to start with one of the softest colors, I think like this color. And I have here a permanent red violet, a red oxide by Golden, and some white. And with those colors, I can mix that color. And here you go, a beautiful rosy old pink color. I want it a little bit lighter. With the red. Alright, let's start with this color. I know I'm not really speaking, but I'm concentrating, if I work with greens, working with pinks, and especially a color like this is a bit more challenging for me. Also, I'm working on a different surface. So this is one Wouter stretched for me. So I need to get used to this as well. It's still canvas, but it's a different brand. And not all brands are equal, especially not with acrylics or canvas. Right, this is super soft. And I think also, by the way, for the composition, I think I will aim for this direction. But it's easier for me to work like this. All right, we need more colors, right? So I'm thinking maybe I will start with the gold already or go with this color. So that's a touch darker. I think I will do that. Take some of this. A little bit white. I do this quite a lot, by the way, that I mix my own colors, but mostly I don't show that on the YouTube videos. I do show that in my course. I already used some. Alright, so far so good. Gold. Definitely need gold. I don't like this one too. Definitely need some gold. Oh, let's create some of that rose gold already a little bit. All right, this looks good. The only thing is, I painted some areas light pink, but it's hardly visible anymore. I also have a Van Dyke brown. Work very well with this. I like it, but so many things are missing. I want more color on the background. All right, you know what? I will start adding a very red pink shade to this to, lift it up a little. It's so bland. Let's see, and otherwise I can just go over it, but I'm not feeling this right now. And it might be because it's pink. So now with that color, I'm losing a little bit of that rose, that old pinkish. But hey, we live in modern times. All right, I'm gonna work with white and see if I can, finish this painting. White, let's add some white. Why not? So the white is definitely helping, isn't it? I'm such a fan of harmonious color palettes, but also with a touch of a total different color. And so I have such an urge to use some green with this, because it can totally lift this palette up because it's so bland. Alright, so I just rinsed off my brush because I'm thinking we need another color. Definitely a total other color. I will try with the green or maybe some Indian yellow. And let's see, and otherwise I will cover it up with something like brown, let this dry and just revisit it later. Green mixed with gold. Let's go for that. Done that before and it was nice. Liking this. Now this is just a very subtle touch. I think I got it. We're missing purple. Purple. Because I started with more a neutral pink in the beginning, more that old pink I was talking about. I didn't think that would match together with the purple, but now we have some very vibrant sort of magenta. And I think a dark reddish purple can definitely match with this. And that could just create that contrast and finish this painting off. Still, I'm sad I didn't paint the background first. But we always have next time. This is, by the way, a permanent violet dark. Yeah, this is great. Let's just keep it like this. I might add a little bit of color to some white parts here, so very soft pink. But further, this is it. This is it. I'll bring you up for the dried end result.